pick up my trailer. My trailer is right here, but when I see on a pintle hook, it has a bird sitting there with its nest, I think. Not sure. See the bird, guys? I don't know if it has a right here. You see it? Look at the bird up here. This is the bird is sitting there and fly away. And look, it has 2 eggs in there. See guys, this is what I found. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna take this out and put it eggs somewhere underneath that tree or somewhere. Hopefully she will get it back, because the minute I'm gonna hook the trailer, she's gonna she would just fly anyway. The eggs are right here. The bird was sitting right there. Right there. I have to hook the trailer. So I'm hoping that she will get it. I'm hoping that she will just come back for it. Not sure though if any others, somebody else gonna come and eat them, but hopefully she will get that. Just hoping. You guys.